The presence of female directors on corporate boards is still limited in many companies worldwide. To face with this problem, several countries have imposed a gender quota in recent years. Policymakers expect the positive effects of gender balance on firm profits. However, they do not consider the side effects of the imposition of mandatory rules. Therefore, the average effect of gender quotas on firm performance is still unclear. Our objective in this study is to investigate the change in performance following the quota impositions in both short term, it means 3 years following the introduction of the laws, and long term, it means more than 3 years after the quota. In this paper, we use the introduction of gender quotas in several countries as a quasi-natural experiment. We include in our sample all countries in worldwide level imposing a gender quota between 2003 and 2018. We use a generalized difference in differences research designed to estimate the impact of the reforms on firm performance. Our statistical analysis shows that quotas increase effectively the presence of female directors on board. However, the increase in the number of women directors following the quota imposition does not lead to an increase in firm performance as expected by policymakers. Women directors do not seem to be superheroes who have the power to increase performance by virtue of their gender. Our study has several contributions and implications. First, to our knowledge, we are the first study to examine the link between gender quotas and firm performance for a cross-country sample. Second, our paper contributes to the literature on the inconclusive debate on both gender diversity and firm performance. Third, policymakers can create unrealistic expectations for women as our study provides evidence that an increase in women directors number does not have improved firm performance. Our results suggest that policymakers should rely on ethical principles and social justice to justify the quota impositions on board of companies. Fourth, we suggest that gender quotas have women overcome existing barriers to professional advancement and occupy the top positions of a company. However, many firms do not respect the quota at the date of compliance, suggesting that strong sanctions need to be imposed to prompt firms to comply with the law.